Happy release day! OPUS TOUCH 6 introduces several new features that enhance its dominant position as the go-to FTIR spectroscopy software. Here is a quick overview. Autonomous Composition ID. With fully autonomous composition identification, or A.I.D, you get your powerful personal helper when analyzing tough, unknown mixtures. This rapid, reliable machine learning algorithm reveals complex, multi-component materials in seconds without any input from the user or tedious trial-and-error library search approaches. In addition to the most plausible composition, other mixtures are displayed that can be compared with each other. Product workflow. With a product workflow, OPUS TOUCH makes carrying out quality control tasks a breeze. It standardized the analysis of any sample with respect to measurement parameters, data evaluation and result reporting into a single, visually guided workflow. Ideal for repetitive sample work, users access spectroscopic sample expertise instantly with the push of a button, eliminating the need to manage measurement parameters or handle data evaluation. Trend View. The Trend View allows the user to track performance of infrared analyses performed by product workflows over time. This includes identification and quantification results as well as other derived values. More importantly, it allows to monitor product quality deviations by comparison with the reference and detecting parameter drifts and slow or sudden changes in composition. ONET. ONET is our tool with which a network of infrared spectrometers can be centrally administrated and controlled. And from now on, OPUS TOUCH offers a tailor-made user interface that enables the execution of analyses on devices under ONET control. Methods can be set up, adapted, harmonized and distributed remotely, reducing the need for local expertise and training. Use ONET and the browser-based web interface for data pooling, user management, instrument health checks and validation test planning.
The Tutorial Center. The Tutorial Center helps you find the right tutorial video whenever you need it. It can be accessed directly from the home screen or workflow and features a bunch of tutorial videos that help you get started with OPUS TOUCH. You can either browse the videos or search for certain keywords. If you open the Tutorial Center from a workflow, the center will automatically select the best fitting tutorial video. The videos feature a clear voiceover in English and subtitles according to your selected OPUS TOUCH language. Now you know about the new features of OPUS TOUCH 6.